Morning, Luke.
Morning.
So, fishing didn't go to plan. Luke, how many fish did we catch?
0.
If you've fished the Swan River before, this is a pretty, I guess, regular occurrence, or maybe I'm just not a very good fisherman. But what are we doing instead, Luke? What are we doing now?
We're cooking some bacon and eggs on a barbecue. Sizzle in the water, that's what's happening.
Just make sure that the handle stays
In the middle.
all kind of like as far away from it as possible.
Let's get our stuff out of the code, Bill.
So,
I know how to break an egg, obviously.
are you gonna break the egg for me?
Here you go.
You gonna do it?
I'll do it. I know how to match the puts for a bit.
Hey,
Take that.
we're gonna do the bacon first. And the bacon is not defrosted yet fully. That's alright. If you ever come camping with me, or any sort of adventuring with me, you'll know that I never defrost my meat properly. So here's a little taste test of when we go camping next, Luke. Look at that. All right, breakfast is almost done. We butchered the eggs a little bit. The muffins are warming up. Luke, how keen are you to try the McMuffin, the Coby McMuffin?
Really excited to try one.
Fantastic.
I think my fingers.
Oh, give it a try.
Did I drop some or something?
You might have.
One sec.
Good?
Yeah.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Ah, lovely. So that's it. Day's done, adventure's done. Luke, what do you reckon? Do you reckon we're good fishermen?
Yep.
Yeah. Well, I think you're a good fisherman. I don't think I'm a good fisherman. I think, actually, I'm a good fisherman. I'm not a good catcher, right? That's what we say. We go fishing, we don't go catching. So we got some advice from the local tackle shop in Midland. We tried the lures out. I think it's good advice because I know it's good advice because I've seen a fair few YouTube videos of lads out there using the same lures. I just don't think we were lucky today. The Canning Bridge is usually a little bit of a hot spot, but not for us today, not for me for a little while anyway. So if you've got any tips or tricks or any ideas, I would love to hear it. Ready?